Today we're going to check out some sassy short haircut ideas. The first one looks like it is going to be of a bob transformation. So she started off with a little bit past shoulder length hair, and the stylist is cutting the hair to a bob. So it looks like he's going about neck length with this one. So he does end up giving her nice angled bangs in the front. Beautiful, absolutely gorgeous cut. I actually like the fact that her bangs are a lot longer than the back of her hair. This is a very dramatic kind of bob, pixie. And then moving right along to the next one. So it looks like someone's getting a hair color change. So we see the purple dye. And it looks like she's got blonde at the top. Ooh, this is gonna be an interesting one. So she has kind of like a purple blonde combo. This is gorgeous. Then moving right along, we see more of a pixie transformation. So the stylist does cut the hair with the razor and then the shears. And it looks like he's creating quite an interesting shape with this pixie. I feel like with the way that he's cutting that it kind of has a bit of layering to it overall, which just creates a nice bit of definition and dimension throughout the cut. Gorgeous. The hair looks very full at the top. And she does have nice bangs as well. And I think that because he did a lot of those layers, her hair appears to be thicker. Gorgeous, absolutely love the overall shape that this pixie has. And then moving right along, we see a nice neck length style bob. And then heading into our next transformation, looks like the stylist has the clippers and he has shaved the back portion of the hair. And it looks like she's getting a nice undercut pixie style. Slight baby bangs in the front as well. Very choppiness of the haircut that she had going on with the overall style. And then here we see a bob. This is gorgeous, comes to about neck length. Beautiful highlights throughout. And it looks like we see a pixie haircut transformation for the next one. So the stylist is using the razor in order to do the cut. Oh, this is stunning. I would actually say that this is more of like a micro style bob. She does have blonde money piece highlights in the front. Great way to frame the face, add some dimension as well. And then she has highlights going in the back of the hair. And then here's another look at that undercut pixie. Once again, the choppiness and the messiness of the cut is what really makes this particular style. And then we head into a bob transformation. Beautiful, nice chin length style bob. The part is on an angle. And it looks like she also got a few little subtle highlights as well. Oh, I love this blonde hair color. So it looks like he just lightened up the hair to color it with some purple. So this is like a really pretty kind of lavendery shade. So she kind of gets like a shag with this one. Beautiful. I think maybe something should have been done to the eyebrows because they are a tad bit dark for this hair color. But other than that, this is a gorgeous lavender shade. Alright you guys, so that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed these transformations. If you did, be sure to give this video a like and I will see you in the next one.